Today's BP Drone Camp is really an exciting way to engage students with STEM learning. We're going to be learning about aerodynamics, aviation, engineering, technology. Our company and our industry is driven by innovation. So we want to make sure that we have a strong workforce in the future that is going to be able to continue that innovation and technology so we can be at the cutting edge to be able to deliver America's energy resources to the world.
So I was super excited to arrive and find out that half the students that were participating were girls, and to be able to get to them with such an exciting opportunity like Drone Camp right before they're making decisions about what they want to study and perhaps what impact they want to have on the world when they're adults.
Drones are amazingly exciting. Just the possible uses for all of them. You can program a drone to do almost anything. I think it's amazing that everyone else here shares the same excitement about these drones, and it's pretty great.
We think that drones are the ideal STEM tool, but this age is particularly important because 6th through 8th grade is right before high school, and we want to ensure that they're taking the right math, the right science courses to come to a university like Rice and work at a company like BP.
STEM education is one of the most important areas of need. This camp is all about getting kids enthusiastic, inspired, engaged in STEM at an early age so that they want to prepare for those high-demand STEM careers when they graduate.
I've never been to a camp that's as fun as this, but I find it really, really cool.